In Sprint 5, learners research the industry. Now, different units will research that industry in different ways. They may watch a video, they may read a transcript, they may read an article, but the point and the function of the sprint is that the learners develop some research skills in looking at and summarizing trends in that particular industry related to job descriptions and employment data. So in this particular example, this is Unit 8 as our example, the learners watch a video and then the educator distributes a transcript from the video. And you'll notice that up here in the slide you'll see that little icon there. Anytime you have that icon, that means look at your unit resources, because there's unit resources available for the learners to explore. This particular case, it's a video transcript. They partner up, they review that transcript using the EAR method. The EAR method is a learn to learn skill. Again, you can see that little blue brain right here in the top corner. That little blue brain indicates that this is a cognitive learning skill or learning to learn skill, a training wheel skill that learners want to practice in order to build proficiency in that skill. So they read the transcript practicing that EAR strategy. Then they watch another video, partner up with a different person, and in their pairs they use the videos and the transcript to review information. So now they're consolidating information, they're comparing their transcripts from these different videos, they're doing that together in a peer, they're having that conversation, and then finally they reflect in a learner workbook. With their partner, they write a 5 to 7 sentence summary describing what the cosmetologist does using comparison between the two videos. Now, what's important to notice about this particular example is they work with pairs throughout the entire process, working all of that out verbally before they ever commit anything to paper. That's really important in an exercise like this, because the very last thing that they do is commit those words to paper. That's important because we want learners to have comfort and to have practiced something several times before they ever move to the place where they're writing. That helps the writing process so that by the time they get to the writing, they're really comfortable with the words and the language, so that when they go to write, they will experience more success and have a more focused opportunity to practice their writing skills. Now, every Sprint 5 in Lesson 1s may research that information in slightly different ways. This example just walks you through that process of what a Sprint 5 may look like. The goal is for the learner to research the industry and build some comfort and familiarity with that unit's featured occupation.